welcome to the event, the start of what we hope will be many forums in the future. It's also a chance to find out a bit about some of the products that you may not be familiar with.
Yeah, it's nice to come up, step out of the office and take a look at what's going on, how other companies are using the software, and to actually see what the future technologies are doing.
The wide range of applications have been quite mind-blowing, really.
It's great to see how it's used, because you're always told how it's used in all these instances, but never actually appreciated.
Well, I actually teach a lot of this software, so I mean, it's been for me, especially this morning, lots of tips and tricks and things that I can pass on quite easily. And
a huge amount of insight on the very little things that have a big impact. So we've got, between myself and my colleague, we've got a few pages full of tips that we can take back to the office and hopefully turn those little insights into quite big productivity gains.
We look at something like Inventor, and we've never had such a good release as the last release. The capabilities that Inventor is able to bring to bear today are starting to rival the more established products out there.
In one central location we can talk to people from HP, from Wacom, from Autodesk, etc.
So hopefully this afternoon we'll pick up a few more tips and tricks and take them back to the office and show the other guys back there.
It's great to see so many end customers wanting to come and see what's new from Autodesk, and also us being a sponsoring partner from Nvidia also.
We look at ourselves as how do we make a difference to what you do every single day.
I'm one of the now 5 presenters on the Gadget Show. Every now and again we do something called the Gadget Show Build.
The pinnacle is car design, so I found that really interesting because it does bring every element of Autodesk products together.
I work for McLaren. We basically are a racing company, and speed is very important. We use very, very heavily right now Autodesk to rely on getting the car out designed as quickly as possible.
We chose Inventor for several reasons, but it offered me a structured path from 2D to 3D.
So as a design engineer, wherever you get inspiration for the solution to the issue, you can sketch that down.
In the manufacturing space, chances are the things you interact with every day, Autodesk somewhere has had an impact on that. The car you drove in this morning was probably designed on Autodesk software. If you know how to rotate a model in Inventor, you know how to rotate a model in Revit. You know some of the basic interactions between these different tools. And what's more, they can all share data.
It's a form, follows function, looks nice, it's just everything.
We're just moving into 3D, so seeing how other companies have managed to do it might help me convince the rest of the drawing office to take it up.
But the presentation was absolutely what we think and how we think, and how the software has helped him mould everything is exactly the way we feel too.
But every time I visit, any of these sessions, I find it inspiring, and you always learn something new. And talking to the Autodesk guys, they always have great answers for you, and to be honest, a fantastic support.
It wasn't like a series of salesmen trying to pitch something. It was engineers talking about the problems that engineers have and good engineering solutions.
I mean, the presentation was pretty full on, so yeah, there was a lot to take in.
I think it's been excellent. Yeah, definitely would definitely come again. Yeah.